Today, we're going to do a project for Valentine's with some penguins. And we're going to use the new Creative Space, the newest version with an S1 20 watt. And I'll show you a couple little changes so far that they've made with the new version. And if you're interested, check it out. Hey, everybody. Today's video, we're going to cover how to make a Valentine's project with some penguins. We're going to use the new AImake portion of Creative Space, and with the newest uh, version of the Creative Space software, a couple things have changed. I'm not going to cover everything, but I'll cover what I'm going to use here with this project. And one of them is the AImake portion. Uh, Basically, when you click on the AImake button now, it incorporates it right into Creative Space versus it used to be separate. So we bring it in here, and so now you can select your asks from different types of AImake creations you want. And also, with this clock looking backwards symbol, is your history. So if you've had previous different creations, they'd be all listed here. And in this case, one of them is, and we're going to use this guy here. So you just basically click on that button and it brings it up. So that's basically what we'll do with the AImake for this project. And so I'll close that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this to score, and I want to add a heart between them. And I'm just going to make this a little bigger and close this off. And we're just going to go right in here, right in the middle of these two guys. And I'm going to highlight it all and unite. So now we have this guy, but I'm going to add a second heart to make it like a border. So we're going to go in here like this. I will need a third heart eventually, but we'll go from there. So now we're going to add an outline, and the new version is now called offset. Before it was outline. So if you're looking for outline, there is no more outline, it's offset. So you bring it in here, and we're going to just let this do its thing, basically a default. I'm going to change the size to that thickness. And there's all new options here with inners, outers, and outer only out, inner out, back and forth. It's all kinds of options now. But we're not going to need all those, so we're just going to say confirm with this. So now this outline is like this. And this guy is like this. So this is going to be the backing, but I don't need none of this. So what we'll do is we click it and release. And now we can get rid of this guy. Holding the shift button down, we get this guy, and this guy. And then we delete because we don't want none of that. We just want this. So this will be one color of board, and this will be another color of board. And then we just need a third heart because I want to put another heart inside there, but I need to make it a smidgen smaller. So we'll just go like this. So we'll fit them in there. So this will be a third color. So this will be red, obviously. This will be black, and this will be white. So we'll set this. All of it is going to be cut with the same settings. So we can click on cut, set it for 100, and we go with 8. I'm cutting it with a S1 20 watt. So these numbers work good for that size and that power. So let's get these cut, and I'll get back to you with the finished product.